Can you explain?
Are you kidding me?
Stop resisting.
I am not.
Stop
You just pushed me to the floor. Sir, hold on. I am way smaller than you.
That's sad.
If a teacher has the authority to send a student who is acting up in the classroom and she can't control out of the classroom to the principal's office, under our policy we have the same rules. We have certain rules, 3-minute speech, etc. It's got to be civilized. It can't get off target. It's got to be related to the issue before the board. And that's not what was happening last night. This is a petty, personal attack on the superintendent and his family. It has nothing to do with what the job requires, what the salary should be